Hello everyone, I'm an option trader. Today I'll be sharing a weekly expiry day strategy on Nifty. This is a 4 leg strategy to buy and to sell. We'll be starting our trade at 10 a.m. in the morning on expiry day. Suppose if the Nifty spot price is at 15,000 at 10 a.m., the first thing we have to do is we have to buy 200 points out of the money call and put. You can buy 300 points out of the money or 250 points out of the money. If you do that, if you buy deep out of the money, the margin will be asked very much. And if you're slightly closer to the spot price, the margin will be somewhat less. The first thing we had, if Nifty, let's see the strategy now. If Nifty is 15,000 at 10 a.m., we have to buy 14,800 PE and 15,200 call. This price would be at around 1 or below 1, or sometimes it will be 2 rupees or 3 rupees. Yeah, and after that we have to sell this strategy. We have to sell 15,000 call and put, which is at the money. Those premiums would be, sometimes it will be around 35 and sometimes 40 also, sometimes 45 also. It depends on the IV, implied volatility. Yeah, and with the same strategy, it is at 10 a.m. and at 3:30 p.m. still the market, the Nifty is at 15,000 only. All this will become zero. Here we are buying. This is our loss, 1 rupee to 0.5. It will be. This only two will be in loss. The whatever we are buying, this will be in loss. Whatever we are selling, this will become profit. So 35 plus 35, it will become to 0.5, 0.5. So the overall profit for our this will be into profit. The profit will be, you can calculate the 64 points into 75. Nifty lot quantity is equal to 75. So that 75 into 64, 4,800 will be your ultimate profit by the end of the day. So I suggest you to don't stay till 3:30 or 3 o'clock a.m. Take 10% of 20% of your capital and exit from the trades. You never know what might happen after European market opens, or the Nifty takes a swing trade after 2:30, mostly 2:30 p.m. Yeah, the main fundamental rule in this strategy is that we have to shift this sell straddle uh, for every points for every points change in the Nifty. For example, what I'm trying to say here is that if Nifty is trading around 15,000 at 10 a.m., after 10:30 or 11 o'clock, the Nifty moves to 15,000 to 15,050. 15,000 to 15,050. We have to square off these positions. We have to square off these positions and form new short straddle, which is 15,050. Both same call and put. You have to form it. You have to sell both if the market is going upwards. If the market is going downwards from 15,000 to 14,950, still you have to exit these positions and form a new straddle of 14,950 call and put. So by the end of the day, if it's the only point is, you have to keep on moving 50 points. If the Nifty moves from 15,000 to 15,050 and 15,050 to 15,100, you have to keep on changing your short straddle. Yeah. After, when there will be a sudden spike within 15-20 minutes, if the movement happens from 15,000 to 15,050, there you will see a loss of some around 600 to 900 loss, but ultimately by the end of the day you will clear the loss and you will end up in profit. I'll show you in Opstra backtesting. We'll be doing some simulation now. We are at Opstra website. We will go to option simulator now. We have to choose any Thursday. Let's choose 10th or 17th, oh no, 17th, okay, 10th of June, yeah, we'll move to 10 o'clock. What's the price at 10 o'clock? Yeah. 10 o'clock, the price of Nifty is just 15,689. It is approximately 15,700. So you remember the strategy, right? Spot price is at 15,700. Then we have to buy 200 points out of the money. 200 points, right? 15,500 put and 15,900 call we are buying, and we are selling at the money 15,700 call and 15,700 put. This is the payoff chart. Don't be scared of seeing this red loss and all those things. Mostly market ranges. In market range will be in this area only, 100 to 150. Mostly it will be inside the 100 points only, on especially on Thursdays, because I have been trading from past 3 years on this strategy. So what we will do, we'll start doing simulation by half hour. By half an hour, the spot price is 15,711 and 135 profit. Next 30 minutes at 11 o'clock, the spot price is 705 and the profit is 210. And another 30 minutes, 11:30, 704 and the profit is 480. The profit keeps on increasing because there will be a theta decay. And another next 30 minutes at 2 o'clock, you got 675 loss here. Why we got loss here? Yeah, still it's in range only, so we don't need to panic about that loss. Our benchmark was at 750, right? If we get this 15,750, then we will change the straddle. The straddle, I mean to say, these sell positions, these two. So don't need to worry, we'll shift it for another 30 minutes. Another 30 minutes, you see it came back to 716. And what's the profit? It's 408. We'll shift it by another 30 minutes, 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, the price was 626. Sorry, the profit was 626 and the spot price was at 1578. From 1 o'clock, we keep on forwarding this by 15 minutes. 15 minutes at 1:15, the profit was 795 and the spot price is at 732. 130, you got 712 profit. 730 is the strike price. See, keep on shifting this. 733, profit is 1080. Another 15, 2 o'clock, 722. See, the profit is 1046. See, the better time, because by 1:30 the European market gets open, there might be a fluctuation also. So I suggest you to, if conservative traders exit at 1 p.m. only, and people who can take somewhat risk like that, means I generally hold it for 2:15 to 2:30. After 2:30 I close all my positions. So let's see what will happen at 2:30. The net is slow, I guess. Yeah, 15,738, and usually the profit is 1200, around 1200 at 14:30. Okay, see the 1342 profit and 37 and at 15 3 o'clock market is 15,742. You see the profit 1863. Yeah, so by 3 o'clock, risky or whoever playing with this strategy, exit by 3 o'clock. Don't stay after 3, because Nifty will take this swing at this time. Let's do it. Let's see at 3:30. 3:30 you got 2000 rupees profit, and the spot price is 15,737. So here we did not have to, we were not, so we did not get a chance to change this straddle, right? So we will look into another day which got change in these straddles. Let's see. The straddle got changed on 27th of Thursday. There was a fluctuation in the market, like it moved 50 points up and 50 points down. 27th of June, May, sorry. Yeah, we'll go at 10 o'clock price. The price was 15,300, and you know the strategy. 15,100 put we have to buy, and 15,500 call we have to buy, and 15,300 at the money we have to sell, call, sell, put, sell. You see what the range, the maximum profit you can get here is 5,576. If the market stays as 15,312, only you'll get this much of profit. Let's start simulating by 15 minutes because there was a fluctuation in this 15 points. 15 minutes, sorry. You see there is no change till 53.50. We will stick with this. 350 we have to change. It is very slow, I don't know why, or the site might be busy. 300, you see profit is 161. Next 15 minutes, 450 the profit you got. See the spot price is 311 only. By 11 o'clock you see 243. I think market guy is getting trendy here. So 10,327, 11:30. Yeah, here you can see that 15,349, I mean almost 15,350 is your benchmark, and you got 247 loss here. So what we'll be doing here, we are closing this straddles, right? 64.1 and 17.75. So what is the spot price here? 15,350. Go to the option change. 15,350. We have to sell this now. Call, put also. The reaction, not reacting. Wait, how many it got added? Let me delete 2. Yeah, 15,350 call and put has been added. Let's start simulation by 15 minutes. 11:45. What's the price? 356. And you feel 400 loss. Still don't need to worry. You can change the straddle now at 15,400 or 15,300 only. Between this, wherever you end the market, wherever the market ends, you will be in profit only. If it touches 15,300, then only you have to change. If it touches 15,400, then only you have to change the straddle. Just remember these points carefully. Start by simulation by another 15 minutes. Okay, you see the loss is being decreased to minus 270. 15,357. Another 15 minutes. 15,342. It's coming down. And you see the profit is also coming down. Loss is coming down, minus 176. Another 15 minutes. 15,344. 288 is your profit now. You see 15,334. You see the profit is 221. 3 o'clock 15,348, and you see the profit is 292. 1 of 15,000, you got the profit is 412. 345 is still on safe side. 330, sorry, 130. At 130, 15,357, you see the profit it got to 708. And another 15 minutes at 145, the profit is 990. You see the spot price. At 2 o'clock, you got the 1000 profit. 15,354 is a spot price. Another 15 minutes, 15,000. You see there was a big jump in this 15,299, and you will see the loss of minus 22 only. Yeah, what we have to do, we have to exit this straddle 15,350. Exiting straddle 7.95 and 53.1. 3.1. So now the spot price is 15,299, right? So it means 15,300 spot price. So what we have to do, 15,300 call and put, we have to sell again. Yeah, we sold it, right? Yeah, and now start simulating 230. By 230 you got 326 profit, and you see the spot price 275. Another 15 minutes, 15,300 points, and what is your profit? It is at 847. Another 15 minutes, by 3 o'clock the profit is 15,330. What is your profit here? 731. Another 15 minutes, 15,343. See, 825 is your profit. And what is it? 330, end of the market. What was the price? 15,337. How much was your profit? 562. You ended in the profit because I started to simulate a 15 minutes. So there you can see a lot of profit also. Like in 50, there was an interval of simulating 15 minutes and 30 minutes also, right? In between these minutes, like if you start doing simulation by 5 minutes also, 10 minutes also, you can see the big profits like 1500, 1600, 800, 900. So the main point what I'm trying to say is, by the end of the day, if the market range is in 100, wherever the Nifty ends, you will be in profit only. That is what I'm trying to tell. This is a good strategy, and I can show you the from past we traded some around like 2 months or 1 month of our screenshots. Me and my group have did trading with this strategy, and this strategy works very well with algorithm, because if you are doing this manually, exiting these positions and entering into these positions, you are losing some split seconds or some seconds, like say 2 seconds or 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. In these 15 seconds, the price, whatever the price you are wanted it desirable, you won't get that price. By the algorithm you can get it, because this algorithm does auto buy and auto sell as per the parameters. If it is 15,350, the bot automatically closes the present straddle and enters into 15,350 new straddle. It does automatically. There is also a video I can share. I'll show you. Before that, I'll show you the screenshots I have traded. Yeah, now we are looking at the screenshots which me and my batch, I mean my group of friends got traded with this strategy, and this was a profit we made. You can see this, we traded with 8 lots here, and it was on 17th September 2020. And you can see the strategy here, call and put options. Got it like this. With 8 lots we made 11,940, and we exited at 238. You can see 238 or 232, whatever. and you see we made with 8 lots. Again we got 9,432 was our profit with 8 lots, and some made with 10 lots and sometimes with 30 lots. See, this was 15,285 is our profit, and this with single lot we made somewhere around 1800 or something like that. And this was with 850 lots. You see the 50 lot size. With 50 lots we got somewhere around 55,854, and we did it with 20 lots. When we made it 20 lots we got 28,710 as a profit. 20 lots, and we did with 5 lots also, we got the 7,518 is a profit. And this was the huge profit when we made this on 3rd September. With 80 lots we did it, and we got 1,46,467 was our profit. You can see we exited at 2:30 exactly. 2:30 is some 2 o'clock time. If you have waited for 3 or 3:30, this would have been doubled. You can say 2,40,000 we would have got as a profit. And let's see, 26,000 with 15 lots and 20 lots. Same 2:30 we are exiting these positions. Yeah. These are the screenshots which me and my group has made to this strategy. This strategy works best on algo trading, where we have this algorithm integrated with this strategy. The point is here we have to buy manually, and the selling straddle, the short straddle will be taken care by the bot automatically. It does auto sell and auto buy. The bot is fully automated. And these are the rules. I personally follow the parameters 49 and 49 and 2. We can do 41 and 11 also. Once you see the algorithm tutorial, you will get to know what is this parameter means. And we are giving this algorithm for free of cost. The only thing you have to do is sign up with Allies Blue through our referral, and this bot runs only on uh, Allies Blue broker only. We are giving it for free, and please open this Allies Blue account through our referral. I'll be posting this referral on the description. Please look at the description and create the account and just contact us. We'll be sharing this bot for free, and I'll be uploading another strategy on Bank Nifty that will be also on expiry day strategy. And please do subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you.